I'm here with Steve White from Biba. Steve, we're here at your show today. What are the highlights for you?
I think the highlights for me is just the buzz about the place. We have record numbers, over 7,000 people. There's a vibrancy about this event. There's a vibrancy, as you can hear behind us out on the exhibition floor. Everyone is talking business. It's a really positive event.
Absolutely, it's buzzing today. And tell me, what are brokers telling you their issues are coming up 2016? What's their focus on?
The focus that we're hearing from our brokers are several. One is around the Insurance Act, which comes into force in August this year. So our newly issued today implementation guide has been very enthusiastically received. In fact, I think we're running out from the supplies that we came with. The seminar session, which was run with a panel that included David Herzl, the Law Commissioner who wrote the legislation, Bruce Hepburn from McTavish, Andy Fairchild from the Broker Network, and an insurer, was very, very positively received. I'm getting great feedback from the people that were in that session. So that's one issue. Under insurance, we issued a guide to under insurance as part of our professional indemnity suite of documents last month. That again has been very enthusiastically received. We have a seminar session on that tomorrow, which again will be very well supported. So that's an issue. Issues around cyber insurance. The government's figures they issued earlier this week show there's a big gap between the amount of cyber breaches and the take-up of cyber insurance. So there's a gap there that brokers are looking to fill. Issues around fintech, where government are looking for the brokers to be more involved. There's a suite of issues, topical issues that brokers are getting involved with and are interested in.
Absolutely, a lot for brokers to focus on. And then of course you've got Brexit, or the possibility of a Brexit, or certainly a referendum coming up. How do you think that's affecting the market?
I think the threat of a Brexit creates uncertainty. Insurance is about giving certainty to customers, identifying and mitigating risks and offsetting that with insurance. So uncertainty is not something that the insurance sector particularly welcomes. There's a variety of views on the subject naturally within firms, within families. My family is split on the issue, for example, as I'm sure many of the viewers of this will have the same issue. So I think we're looking forward to getting the referendum done. We're all passionately support the democratic move here. Got to be the will of the people. We just hope that we get an informed debate and the public vote in the way that they feel is best for the UK, and that we can then get on with it and deal with the consequences of whichever way the result goes.
Absolutely, Steve. And just finally, can you tell me a little bit more about the tie-in between Biba and the IBSC?
Yeah, well, the IBSC, the Insurance Brokers Standards Council, was formed by a group of Biba member brokers looking to give guidance to firms on market practice. We've had discussions with them now over a couple of years to bring that group back within Biba. So the IBSC is now Biba's Insurance Brokers Standards Committee. It's chaired by Paul Anscombe still. Paul has now a seat on the Biba board. Graham Trudgill, my executive director, will do the day-to-day running of that committee. It's going to serve a hugely important purpose in giving brokers guidance on the most topical issues.
Great, thanks so much, Steve, and hope you have a good conference.
And you, Martin, thank you very much.